Alright, so we're in the prep and prime stage. Prep and prime. So pest guys come in, treated, bombed, pretty much everything in the house. Now we are in the process of prepping and priming. So I never paint myself. I always get professionals to do that. It's just too much work, and you want the walls to look smooth and professionally painted. All right. So this is 5811 Finestra. It's a 5-bedroom, 2.5-bath property. We are using high odor kills, so that'll go throughout the entire property. It has a lemon scent with it. All right, let me come out real quick. Oh yeah, I can smell it. Yeah. So this has this primer has like a lemon, something like this. Yeah. Right. All right. So yeah, just with the primer. So right now you're priming the ceilings. Yeah. All right. Okay. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. And you're doing this, you say yeah. Oh yeah. I just left the flooring company and with the flooring guy. So he's gonna start on Thursday. You guys be done upstairs by then. Oh, okay. So we're priming every inch out. You gotta wash those mirrors. I guess y'all clean those off when you finish. Doors, every nook and cranny. So whatever they did in here, it'll be clean. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be, yeah. Yeah, that's right, yeah. Oh, that's how I know. I'm just doing the whole house. Last time when I did the video, it was dark. All right, so we're getting everything done. That's the big part, actually. See all these stains and dirt, freaking roach droppings. That's why I have pest guy come out. I want to post his information as well, because once he's done with this, you won't have a bug in here at all. Van. Rodney Van. So he's the flooring. Square feet. You know, we got carpet.